and from the beautiful to the bizarre, as a number of weird and wonderful events are taking place around the region to mark Valentine's Day.
Yes, forget the slow growth of romance blossoming, because today couples have been speed eating to devour a whole cream tea in the time it takes for the Linton and Lynmouth Cliff Railway to get from top to bottom. That's about 120 seconds. So, ready? On your marks, get set. Here's Claire Woodling.
All aboard the cream tea challenge, please.
If adversity brings people together, try eating an entire cream tea on a moving cliff railway in 2 minutes flat.
They can't start eating their scone or preparing it in any way until we start moving.
But jam first or cream first? There could be arguments.
And which way round are you going to do this?
There's only one way, the Devon way. Of course, yeah.
Phew! No domestics this trip.
One thing is for sure, you say scone and I say scone, but we both say yes, many, now.
But remember, no eating with your mouth full, and always leave a little room for more at the end of the meal.
Scoop the jam out with your fingers, it'll be easier. That's it. Yeah, we don't seem to be eating it. Come on, hurry up.
So how did it go for you lot?
I'm suffering. I managed to get it all down before we got to the bottom.
Did you not have any help?
No, just an occasional crumb.
Did the movement help or hinder?
I think I was too focused on the eating rather than the moving, so unfortunately I missed the lovely view as well.
Ah, in the zone.
It was easier to
Scone zone.
Scone zone.
And purely in the name of news, I applied my own napkin.
There we go.
Stop!
Well, it was, here at the Cliff Railway, we're always looking at something new to do. Yeah, it's a cream tea challenge. We hope to be doing it, well, annually, I would say, by now.
To us.
What a gentleman. Yes.
There we go. Hopefully, I won't feel too many ill effects. Claire Woodling, BBC Spotlight, Linton and Lynmouth.